In our funded and focused journey on the path to raising funds and earning more money for your business, compliance is one of the least fun but most important aspects of business life, and artificial intelligence can be of great assistance. And the truth is that compliance is the part of business that most entrepreneurs ignore until it's too late. A lapsed business registration, missing tax filing, or incomplete corporate structure can disqualify you from a grant, a loan, or government contract instantly. In the space of artificial intelligence, Claude.ai can help you build a compliance calendar specific to your business type and jurisdiction, whether Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, etc. It can draft letters to the company's office or tax administration office. It can understand what documentation banks and grant bodies actually require and prepare you for audits by reviewing your records and identifying gaps before someone else does.